Hello everyone, this is your boy Kelvin, and today we are here to do our reversing plank and push-up. All right, so we are going to do, today is day 5. Yeah, then we finish all the challenge. So my timer is here and we are going to do 50 push-up, 5-minute plank. It's going to be hard. Yeah, I still have pains all over my shoulders because we just finished 30 days push-up and squat. Yeah, and my first time I did 321 push-up, 1 set. So I still have the pain and I'm still going to try to do this challenge because I just want to remove everything from my mind. So stay on and let's do it together. 50 push-up, 5-minute plank. Okay, let me check the time. No, I don't want this 10 seconds. No. Okay. So when I finish pushing 50 push-up, I have to press the time. Wow. Dead. 50 push-up, 5-minute plan. Let's do it. 50 push-up. Okay. Then 20. 30. 40. 50. Okay. Dead. Wow. Damn. Wow. This is too hard. Don't try this at home. Wow. But yeah, you can try this at home. It's already home workout training. Ah, 2 minutes. Wow. This is too much. Wow. Wow. 4 minutes. Wow. Come on. Let's finish it. Ah. 30 seconds more. My back is paining me. Come on. Good. 5 minutes. We did it. Wow. I feel it. My back. My hands. Here. Middle of my backbone. My shoulders. My core. Yeah. Sometimes it can get to a point you could feel the abdomen muscles crunching like this. You have to release it. And when you release it, it's like a pressure that they have put on your shoulders. But we did it. So that is it. Consistency. You can do it. Don't just be in the room and relax. Okay? And don't give too much excuses. And do not think only the gym can build you. Your body is your equipment, and you can use it to do a lot. So this is your boy, I Calvin. I'm out.